Welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today, we're going to go over how to install HASS. After you finish your purchase, you should see this screen. From this screen, you will be able to download a copy of HASS immediately. If you are not ready to download, you can always go to your account page later. You can also download from there. Once it is finished downloading, click Setup, click More Information, click Run Anyways. This will start the setup process. Once it is finished, click Next, scroll through the user agreement, click Agree, Next. This screen is showing you where HASS will install on your system. You can change this location if necessary. Then click Next. Click OK. Finish the setup process. Then double-click the HASS icon. Then you will be asked for your license and activation code. If you don't have this information available, it is on your account page. Enter the email that is associated with the license. And you have successfully installed HASS. Now set up your directories. Then set up your pipe table data. Then your lockbox. Once you finish reading this, click Print or OK to proceed. And now you have successfully completely installed HASS 2020. Thanks for joining us today for another How-To with HASS. If you'd like more information about HASS and HRS systems, there's a link below in the description to our website. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you.